Let's go on to the word processor sheet. Now, I'm not suggesting you start using Excel as a word processor, but sometimes at the bottom of your reports, you'll need to have some boilerplate down there. You know, the legal mumbo-jumbo that the lawyers make you add. Here I have a paragraph of text, and it's much wider than my report. I really want to try and make this fit between columns A through F. I need to select all of the text, but then several rows underneath to have room for the text to flow. I need to make the selection as wide as I want the text to be. Go to the Home ribbon. On the right-hand side of the ribbon, open the Fill drop-down and choose Justify. Excel will do the best word wrap it can to make it fit in the selected columns. Now, it's not absolutely perfect because if you later change the column widths, you'll have to go back and use Fill Justify again. Another option, instead of putting this text right here in the worksheet, is to use a text box. Text boxes are located on the Insert ribbon over on the right-hand side. Now, to give you a guide to work with, I'd really like the text box to be about the size of that blue box. Click on Text Box, and you can drag to create the text box. A great trick is if you hold down the Alt key, Excel will snap to the grid. Hold down Alt, drag, and let go, and there's my text box. Now I can type the text, and it will automatically flow to match the text box. I've typed some text for you. If you click outside of the text box and hit Page Down, you'll see the text box with our text already there. There's one great new feature that's brand new in Excel 2007. We've had text boxes before. Click inside the text box, and you'll see that we have a dotted line around the text box. We now need to click very carefully on the border to change the dotted line to a solid line. Right-click and choose Format Shape. Now, several things we can do here. We can turn the line off and say No Line. But what I really like is if you go to the Text Box option, click the Columns button, and say that you want to have 2 columns with a little bit of spacing in between. Click OK, and click Close, and Excel will take your text box and automatically flow it into columns. I'm not sure what I would ever use this for, but I think it's really cool.